Good morning students. Now students, in this video I'll explain the remaining part of the story of the chapter A Trip to Mars of your English literature book. So kindly take out your English literature books and open page number 71. So students, in the previous video I explained you that Captain Jinnah, an astronaut, reached Mars and she started doing her work very fast with the help of the robot. A robot Curio accompanied Captain Jinnah. Now she took out the digging tools and started collecting soil and rocks from the surface of the planet. Now I'll proceed further. So you have to open page number 71. First I will read the first paragraph given in page number 71. I'll explain and then I'll move on to the next paragraph. So now all of you be attentive. When I'll read, you have to put your fingers in the particular line. Now I start. Captain Jinnah's scientist friends had already told her about all the good places on Mars where she could dig out the rocks. Now I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rocks for the test, she said. Curio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Now students, what happened? Once Captain Jinnah reached the planet Mars, the scientist, before she started her mission, before she started her journey, the scientist had already explained enough about the planet Mars, and the scientist also told her that where she can get the rocks and the soil. So she started searching the correct spots from where she can collect the rock and soil. Already she started searching those spots, those places, and in this work the robot named Curio also started helping her. And what she had to do after that, after collecting rocks and soil, she had to bring it back to the earth so that scientists can do a research on over there on that. Now I'll move on to the next paragraph. The scientist had asked Jinnah to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Captain Jinnah used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform tests on them. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientists on Earth. So students, now what happened? As scientists had asked Jinnah to collect rocks and soil from the surface of the earth so that the scientists can see whether there was life on Mars long ago or not. So Captain Jinnah with her digging tool started collecting lot of rocks to perform different tests on them. Now, and for this work, as I told you, she took the help of the robot Curio. Now what happened? First I'll read. Curio helped Captain Jinnah study the rocks, and as robot Curio had accompanied Captain Jinnah, so now robot was also helping Captain Jinnah to study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a new more rocks from the soil. Assisted means helping someone. So robot was assisting Captain Jinnah, no? Yes, finally it took a picture of Captain Jinnah and sent it to Earth for all the other astronauts and scientists to see. Now once they had collected rocks and soil, so what did the robot do? The robot took the photograph of Captain Jinnah, and now the photograph was being sent to the scientists on the Earth and other astronauts to the Earth to see. Now turn the page, page number 72. At last the time came for Captain Jinnah and Curio to leave the red planet. As I told you that Mars is also known as red planet, And for what purpose it is known as red planet? Because of the presence of iron oxide. As it's the color of the iron oxide is red, and it is present in the dust of the planet Mars. So the color of the planet seems to be red. They travelled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jinnah's work was done, as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on a mission. Now student, as the mission to study about the rocks and soil and to collect the rocks and soil from the planet Mars, as this mission was completed by Captain Jinnah with the help of the robot Curio, so now they decided to come back to their place. They decided to come back to the destination, that means to the Earth, to leave the red planet. And as they have reached Mars, so different planets and different stars they had passed through. Now as Captain Jinnah's work was done and she had brought rocks and soil, so now she has completed her mission. Now see page number 73. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jinnah and told her what excellent work she had done. Well done, Captain Jinnah. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. Now, as they have collected the soil and rock from the planet Mars and they have come back to the Earth, now the scientists and all the astronauts and scientists are very happy as very successfully she has completed her mission and she brought back the rocks and soil also to study about the Mars. And now the scientists, after studying rocks and soil, they started thinking that whether if the life was there on the planet Mars long ago and whether this planet was also green and blue like Earth only. Earth is known as blue planet. No, why? Because of the presence of water. And student, Earth is the only planet where life exists. We are living on which planet? Earth. And it is the only planet where life exists. Why? Because of the presence of air, water, which are very important for the human beings. So now the scientists started thinking that whether the life is there in the planet Mars or not, and is the planet Mars also was very blue and green like our Earth only. And they all were very happy, they all were very excited, and they all congratulated Captain Jinnah on the successful completion of the mission. And they also told Captain Jinnah, now again get ready as you have to go on another trip. So student, now here I stop. Now all of you please read the story once, twice, so that you can improve your reading skills. Now in the next video I will be starting the book exercises. Thank you.